right, guys, so now for 3-3, we're dealing with supplementary relationships, okay? Remember, supplementary means they add up to 180 degrees. So that means these angle relationships that we're going to be dealing with are all going to add up to 180 degrees whenever we do this. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into it. So again, I just said supplementary means they add up to 180. So the two angles are going to add to 180 degrees whenever I solve for those. So that's what's going to end up adding up to. So right now in my example here, it says list some angle pairs that are supplementary. So I know supplementary angles are going to be same sides, and also linear pairs are going to be supplementary to each other. So right now, B and A here are going to form a straight line. So that means BA plus A is going to equal 180 degrees. So that means they're supplementary, okay? Same side interior angles. So C and F are same side interior. So C plus F is going to add up to 180 degrees. And then also alternate exterior angle. Oh, no, not alternate. Same side interior exterior angles. So B and G here are same side exterior. So B plus G is going to equal to 180 degrees. So ladies and gentlemen, remember, supplementary means add up to 180 degrees. So let's go ahead and take this and let's go ahead and apply it to our examples here. So looking at example number 1 here, it says, what is the value of A in this instance? Ooh, so we got a little bit of a tricky one here. Okay, so here we go. So right here, I know that these two angles right here are going to be vertical, meaning they're going to be congruent. Vertical angles are congruent. So if this is 103, then this angle right here is going to be 103 degrees, right? Okay. So I know same side exterior angles are going to be supplementary, okay? So that means these two angles are going to end up adding together to equal 180. So angle A plus 103 degrees is going to add up to 180 degrees. They're supplementary angles, okay? So I'm going to subtract 103 on both sides, subtract 103. So this cancels. So A is going to be equal to 77 degrees. So angle A is going to equal 77 degrees. Because these two are vertical, they're congruent, and these two angles are going to be alternate exterior angles. Next one is example number 2. It wants me to find the value of x. So right now, 5x plus 4, this angle right here, and 114, those are forming a straight line, which means they are a linear pair. Remember, straight lines add up to 108 degrees or 180 degrees. So these two angles are going to add together to equal 180. So what I have to do is I have to take the first angle, which is 5x plus 4. I'm going to add it to 114, and all that's going to add up to 180 degrees. Okay? So plus 4 and 114 is going to be 118. Okay, to get 5x by itself, I'm going to subtract 118 on both sides. So it's going to cancel. So 118, so that's going to be 100 is going to take away from that. So that's going to be 60, what, 2? No. So pick from the 7, so 10 would give me 2, and then yeah, 62. Okay, and then I'm going to end up dividing by 5 on both sides. So 5 will go into 62. So we'll go into it, 11 times. So then that would give me 60. Bring down the 2, bring down the 0. So that would give me 0.4, 11.4. So that means x is going to be equal to 11.4. All right, so now on example number 3, it says it wants me to find the value of x. So right now I have 10 parentheses 3x minus 6, and then I have angle 45 down here. And these are going to be alternate, or no, they're going to be same side exterior angles. So that means they're supplementary. So that means 10 parentheses 3x minus 6 plus 45 is going to be equal to 180. Okay, so I can go ahead and subtract 45 on both sides. So that's going to give me what, 135. So minus 45 on both sides. So that's going to be 10. 3x minus 6 is equal to 135. Okay, I'm going to distribute the 10. So I get 30x minus 60 is equal to 135. I'm gonna add 60 on both sides. So I get 30x is equal to 195. And then I'm gonna divide by 30 on both sides. 195 divided by 30 is gonna end up giving me 6.5. So that means x is gonna be equal to 6.5 because these two angles are gonna be same side supplementary angles. So basically what you're doing is you're taking the idea that these two angles are gonna be supplementary to each other and you're using that to solve the problem, okay? Let me know if you need any help. Good luck on your skill check.